In this video, we're going to create a basic table in Google Sheets. You want to set up your data the following way, with your headings at the top in the first line, and the corresponding data in each column. Start off by highlighting all of your data, including the headers. Go to Format, Alternating Colors. On the right-hand side of your screen, you will have some default styles you can choose from, or you can choose your own colors for the header, color 1, color 2. I'm going to select this default style here. Now this blue for the header is a little bit dark for me, so I'm going to just go ahead and change that to a lighter blue. Let's see how that looks. It's different enough from the titles here, or from the rows here, but still a little more visible. If you wanted that to be a little bit darker, then you could choose a kind of a darker change. But you want to have enough kind of contrast for your headers, but not so dark that you can't see it against the text there. After you have your style, you're going to want to add a title to your table. So click on an item in the first row and go up to Insert, Rows, Insert row one row above. Then select all of the new cells of your new row and select Format. Come down here to Merge Cells, Merge All. Then go ahead and add a title. Type in a title to your header. I'm going to call this Homework Completion. You want a title that is reflective of whatever data that you are creating here. Now you can keep that left-hand justified if you want to, or if you want to center it, go over here to the justified, the horizontal align option, and select drop down and center. Now your title's centered. You can also use these top rows to make kind of additional adjustments. So I'm going to bold the title here. And I'm also going to do that for the headers. Now the text is a little bit small at 10, so I'm going to select all of the table here and increase the font to 12. Maybe make some adjustments to my columns here so everything is readable. Now I've got a pretty decent basic table here. If you want to copy that into Google Docs or Word, just select all of your table, including your title. You can go up into Edit and Copy, or you can highlight your text and right-click and select Copy. Go ahead and open up your Google Doc, then right-click and select Paste, or you can also use your keyboard to do Control-V. You will be given the option to create a link to Spreadsheet or paste unlinked. I would recommend the paste unlinked. This has some additional features, but it's a little wonky and doesn't always work right, so I think it's just easier to paste unlinked. And now you have your table in your Google Doc. If you are using a Word doc, if you right-click, you're going to want to use this first option, Keep Source Formatting, and then paste it in. So very similar process. And that's how you create a basic table in Google Sheets.